stop. Don't scroll. If you woke up tired again, something is wrong. Your energy is being pulled away and you can feel it. This is not normal. This is not random. And today, it ends. You didn't find this prayer. This prayer found you at the exact moment you needed strength. The exhaustion sitting on your body, the heaviness sitting on your mind, the weight you wake up with every morning. It's not just physical. It's deeper. It's spiritual. And in these next moments, something powerful is going to break off your life. Your strength is returning. Your clarity is rising. Your spirit is waking up again. Repeat every word with intention. Repeat every word like your life is shifting. Because it is. Today is the morning your tiredness loses its grip. Today is the morning your energy comes back. Today is the morning you rise stronger than you've ever been. Every force stealing your energy, break. Every heavy thought trying to pull you down, release now. Every unseen battle that has been draining you in silence, end right here, right now. This is the moment you rise. This is the moment your spirit stands up with strength that cannot be shaken. This morning is not just another morning. This is a reset. This is a turning point. This is the hour your strength returns in full force. You have carried weight that wasn't yours. You have fought battles nobody saw. You have pushed through days when your body felt tired, your mind felt crowded, and your spirit felt low. But today, that cycle breaks. Today, the tiredness loses its place in your life. Today, the fog on your morning lifts. Today, your energy rises like fire. Every draining thought, let it fall away. Every fear that made you weak, let it dissolve. Every worry that started as a whisper and grew into heaviness, let it burn off your life now. Every force of negativity, confusion, distraction, and exhaustion, leave now. This prayer is not weak. This prayer is not soft. This prayer is a shield. This prayer is armor. This prayer is your reset, your inner reset, your mind reset, your spirit reset. This prayer pushes back every invisible weight that has been draining you day after day. Lord, restore their strength now. Not slowly, not eventually, not later, now. Let every tired corner of their spirit refill with fresh power. Let every burden sitting on their chest lift with force. Let every place inside them that has felt empty be filled with clarity, fire, direction, and peace. Replace every tired thought with divine power. Replace every stressed thought with courage. Replace every draining thought with calm. Replace every wandering thought with focus. Replace every heavy thought with light. Give them a morning that feels different. A morning that hits with power, with brightness, with stability. A morning where their mind is sharp, their spirit is awake, and their steps are steady. Lord, let clarity rise inside them like sunlight breaking through dark clouds. Let every piece of confusion lose its power. Let every voice of doubt go silent. Let every inner storm calm. Let every distraction fall off their path. Let every obstacle shrink. Let every fear lose strength. Fill their morning with clarity, fire, and purpose. Let purpose ignite inside them. Purpose that wakes them. Purpose that strengthens them. Purpose that carries them through the entire day. Let this be a morning where they don't move with heaviness, but with authority, with focus, with energy, with direction, with a sense that today is not random. Today is chosen. Today is strengthened. Today is protected. Lord, stand with them in every step they take today. Let each step be covered in light, strong, bright, unshakable light. Light that shields them, light that strengthens them, light that clears their path. light that pushes darkness away before it even approaches. Let their thoughts be guarded. Let their emotions be steady. Let their mind rise above everything trying to weaken them. Let their spirit stand tall like a warrior who refuses to fall. Every draining force, stop now. Every distraction meant to pull them off their path, fade out now. Every negative energy sent against their life, return to nothing. Every silent battle in their heart and mind, end with victory. Bring peace to their morning, peace that quiets the mind, peace that softens the chest, peace that settles the soul, peace that makes room for strength. Bring fire to their morning, fire that makes them bold, fire that makes them confident, fire that wakes up their inner power, fire that burns away tiredness, fear, doubt, and weakness. Bring purpose to their morning, purpose that gives every step meaning, purpose that brings clarity, purpose that lights the path in front of them, purpose that reminds them they are not walking alone. Let today be a day where their energy stays high, where nothing steals their strength, where nothing drains their spirit, where nothing pulls them back into heaviness. Let them walk strong. Let them walk steady. Let them walk with fire in their eyes and peace in their heart. Let them walk knowing they are covered, guided, and protected. Every worry, release. Every fear, loosen. Every tension, break. Every stress, unwind. Every tired thought, disappear. Let renewal fill them from the inside out. Let refreshment flow into their body. Let strength rise in their spirit. Let clarity settle in their mind. Let peace rest on their morning. Today they rise. Today they stand. Today they walk with strength that cannot be shaken. Today they carry a fire that cannot be dimmed. Today they move with confidence, purpose, and power. This morning is theirs. This strength is theirs. This clarity is theirs. This peace is theirs. This victory is theirs. And nothing will take it away. You're not here by accident. You didn't arrive at this moment by chance. You didn't press play by luck. There is something bigger moving in your favor, something stronger working behind the scenes, something prepared for you long before this morning ever came. Something has been trying to make you weak. Something has been trying to drain your strength, distract your mind, dull your spirit, and slow your steps. Something has tried to keep you tired so you don't step into the blessing waiting for you. But that ends in this prayer. Right here, right now. Your morning miracle begins now. This very moment, you speak these words with faith, with intention, with power. This is the moment your energy returns. This is the moment your clarity rises. This is the moment your spirit ignites. This is the moment everything shifts in your favor. I speak strength into your bones, strength that reaches every tired place in your body, strength that fills every weak corner, strength that pushes out exhaustion, heaviness, tightness, and tension, strength that rises from deep within you and spreads through your whole being. I speak fire into your spirit, a fire that awakens you, a fire that sharpens your mind, a fire that clears away every cloud of confusion, a fire that burns away every draining thought and every heavy feeling that tries to attach itself to you, a fire that gives you courage and boldness for everything waiting in your day. I speak clarity into your mind, clarity that cuts through worry, clarity that pushes out anxiety, clarity that brings peace where chaos once lived, clarity that opens your eyes to direction, purpose, and calm, clarity that helps you see exactly what you need to do, exactly where you need to go, and exactly how you need to move. No more waking up drained. No more starting empty. No more mornings where you feel like you're climbing before you even stand. No more beginning your day with heaviness sitting on your chest. This morning marks a new rhythm, a new strength, a new level of energy in your life. Every tired habit, break. Every draining cycle, end. Every pattern that pulls your energy down, stop now. Every negative voice, go silent. Every weight that tries to return, be lifted. Let renewal flow through you like a rushing wave. Let fresh power fill your body. Let peace take over your mind. Let strength rise in your spirit. This is not just a mental shift. This is not just motivation. This is a spiritual reset, a divine activation. This is your miracle moment. Let your breathing become steady. Let your shoulders relax. Let your heart lighten. Let your mind settle. Let your spirit expand again. I speak power into your morning. Power that covers every hour of your day. Power that helps you move forward with confidence. Power that quiets every doubt. Power that keeps you stable even when things around you feel unstable. Power that pushes you forward when the world tries to slow you down. I speak peace into your heart. Deep, grounding, calming peace. Peace that cannot be stolen. Peace that cannot be shaken. Peace that protects you from stress and negativity. Peace that reminds you that you are guided, supported, and strengthened. I speak focus into your thoughts. Focus that makes your decisions clear. Focus that helps you stay aligned with your purpose. Focus that keeps your attention on what matters. Focus that makes every step today intentional and powerful. You are rising into a new level of energy. You are rising into a new level of clarity. You are rising into a new level of strength. You are rising into a new level of peace. You are rising into a new level of purpose. This morning is not like the others. This morning carries a shift. This morning carries power. This morning carries a miracle designed for you. Old exhaustion, drop away. Old heaviness, fade out. Old stress, release its grip. Old cycles, break apart. Old anxieties, lose influence. Let your body feel lighter. Let your chest feel clearer. Let your mind feel sharper. Let your spirit feel stronger. I speak renewal over your entire being. Renewal in your body, renewal in your thoughts, renewal in your emotions, renewal in your peace, renewal in your strength. You are stepping into a day filled with purpose, not pressure. Strength, not struggle. Clarity, not confusion. Energy, not exhaustion. Fire, not fear. This is your moment of activation. This is your moment of breakthrough. This is your moment of change. This is your morning miracle, alive, present, unfolding now. And as you continue this day, carry this truth with you. Your energy is returning. Your strength is rising. Your mind is clear. Your spirit is steady. Your path is bright. What drained you before will no longer control you. What weakened you before will no longer touch you. What weighed you down before will no longer slow you. You are stepping into a new flow, a flow of power, a flow of clarity, a flow of peace, a flow of purpose. Your morning miracle is active, and nothing can stop it. Your spirit is rising. Your strength is returning. Your energy is coming back with force. Your mind is clearing. Your heart is steady, and your steps are protected. You are not walking into this day empty. You are not stepping forward weak. You are moving with a power that nothing can interrupt. Your day is covered, your path is guided, and your peace is guarded. Every ounce of heaviness that tried to hold you down has lost its grip. Every shadow that tried to follow you has faded. Every draining thought that tried to slow you has been pushed out. Your strength is restored. Your clarity is restored. Your energy is restored. Now walk into this day with confidence. with your head lifted, your spirit steady, and your purpose alive. Say this out loud. Today, I wake up strong. Let the words settle into your bones. Let them anchor your morning. Say it again. Today, I walk in victory. Let that victory reach your thoughts, your breath, your steps. Say it once more. Today, nothing drains me, nothing stops me, nothing touches my peace. Let that truth surround you like armor. This is your day. Your strength is active. Your peace is unbreakable. Your mind is clear. Your purpose is sharp. Move through this day, knowing you are protected, empowered, and lifted. Move knowing you are guided by strength greater than anything around you. Nothing can stop the momentum rising in your life. Nothing can interrupt the power flowing through your morning. Nothing can take away the clarity you've claimed. Walk forward now, steady, focused, strong, because this day belongs to you.